जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है। उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो welcome to my channel Mathematical Room. So in our today's video we are going to learn about the linear equation or solution of linear equation in two variables. As you can see that two variables are given in these two kind of equations. One variable is x and one variable is y. So we got the two variables, so that's why we got the two equations. So these are called the linear equations in two variables. So we are going to learn the method that how can we find the values of x and y step by step. So first of all, we have to see that if there is any one of the coefficient, one of the variables have the same coefficients, so if they are not, so then we will have to make the coefficient same in both of the equations. So to the easiest way that we are going to make the coefficients same of any of these variables. So if we will multiply the second equation by 8, so we can have the coefficient of y as same in both equations. So in this step, in first step, we are going to multiply the second equation with number 8. So if we write there 8 multiplied by equation number 2, then we will get the same variable of the same coefficient of y variable. So the first equation will be written as it is, 9x plus 8y is equals to 1, and the second equation will become as 8 5s are 40 x minus 8 1s are 8 y is equals to 8 6 are 48. So that's the way. If we multiply the second equation with number 8, so we get the same variable, coefficient with y variable. So now if you add these two equations, so the 8y will be cancelled with 8y, so we will get the value of x. So easy way to find the value of x, you will have to add these two equations. So by adding, so 8y will be cancelled with 8y, and then 9x will be plus with 40, that will become 49x, and then is equals to 1 will be added with 48, that will become 49. So now this 49 is multiplying by x. If you take this 49 to the other side of the equation, so that will be divided with the 49. So 49 divided by 49, that will be cancelled with each other, and then the answer is 1. So x is equals to 1. So that's how we can find the value of x in very simple and easiest way, that we have made the coefficient of y same, and then by adding with each other. Why we did add? Because they got the coefficient, or you can say the variable y have the different signs. So if you got the different signs, so you will have to add the equations. So then you can find the value of x. Now the very simple way, if you put the value of x in any one of these equations, so you can get the value of y. So by putting the value of x in equation number 1, 2, are these two equations. So we will take the very simple equation that we can find the value of y. So let's suppose we put the value of x in equation number 1. So by putting the value of x in equation number 1. So if you see, the equation number 1 is 9x plus 8y is equals to 1. So the value of x1 will be put in the place of x. So we get the equation like 9 into x. The value of x is 1. So you then plus 8y is equals to 1. So in our next step, just we have to do simplification. It's very easy way to find the value of y. So 9 ones are 9 plus 8y is equal to 1. So when you will take this 9 to the other side of the equation, so that will become 8y is equals to 1 minus 9. Because the 9 is positive on that side, when you take this 9 to the other side of the equation, then it will become minus 9. So 8y is equals to 1 minus 9. When you subtract the bigger amount from the smaller amount, the answer will always in negative number. So minus 8 will be the answer of these two numbers. So this 8 is multiplying by y. So when you take the other side, that will be divided with the number of other side. So 8 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So the value of y will be minus 1. So that's how we can find the value of y, by putting the value of x in equation number 1. So the solution set, or you can say that the value of x and y is 1 and minus 1. So we can check our answer, that is that the right thing or right answer we have found. So we can put the value of value of x and y in equation number 1. So by putting the value of x and y in equation number 1, if the equation satisfies, so it means that we have found the right answers, and we have found the right values of x and y. So to check the equation, if you see that if we check the answer, so put the value of x and y, that we have found x as 1 and y as minus 1. So if you put the value of x and y in equation number 1, so what is the equation number 1? As we know, the equation number 1 is 9x plus 8y is equals to 1. So by putting the value of x and y in this equation, so 9 into x, the value of x is 1, and plus 8 into y, the value of y is 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So now just do the simplification, that 9 ones are 9, and plus minus minus, 8 ones are 8 is equal to 1. So if you subtract 8 from 9, so you get the answer 1 is equal to 1. So it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it means the equation is satisfying by putting the value of x and y. So we have found the right answer by solving these two equations or these two linear equations in two variables. The two variables are x and y. So that's how we can find, or we can solve these kind of equations. Or these equations are called linear equations in two variables. So that's how we can solve these equations to find the value of x and y, the given variables as x and y. So that's how we can solve these equations. So inshallah, we will take a couple of more examples in our next videos. So please do subscribe my channel that you can get my latest videos. So and you can learn how to find the things. So inshallah, I will see you in our next video with couple of more examples about the linear equations in two variables. So तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखें, take care of yourself. Inshallah, I will see you in my next video. Khuda Hafiz.